in this matter, defrauded an insurer by creating a completely fictitious claim on behalf of a couple who knew nothing about it. He collected about $50,000 on their behalf, or stole it. The company just happened to perform a random audit later and contacted the couple, who of course knew nothing about it. Everything pretty much unraveled after that. This is from the closing statement that attorney made before the disbarment proceedings.
I just don't think it's come across the state of mind I was in. I don't know how to explain to the court what happened in those months. During the fall months, I had major allergies. And I was on different medications and drinking beer and whatever, you know. And I was not totally conscious all that time. I didn't realize at that time what I was doing was wrong. I thought that this matter would basically be, you know, just treated as a mistake, until my client acted alarmed when he called me. And at that point, that was the first time I realized that I had done something wrong. It's nothing I should have done, except for the circumstances at that time. For that, I'm sorry. And I have changed. And I don't know how to get across how low I was at that time. And I was asking the wrong people to help me, and they wouldn't help me because they couldn't or wouldn't, or people who got me involved in the problem in the first place. I mean, I'm not making it as an excuse, but it's a consideration, and I think it was part of the cause. I would not have hurt my clients. I would not have put my client's position in jeopardy at his company. He's about to retire. He's a friend of mine. And he was called on the carpet on this, and I spent a lot of time explaining that my client didn't have anything to do with this. And I knew that that this was going to be found out. I didn't do anything to hide it in the course of and I think I wanted to be caught. And I don't know if the court's going to believe that or not, but that's the case. But now it's going to change. I have sought help from worthwhile people, and I'm going to keep working with Dr. Anderson and keep going to AA, and that's all I can promise.
There was a happy ending to that transcript. The attorney who was disbarred eventually in that proceeding was reinstated in 2005. And I was also struck in compiling this, the recurrence of alcohol and substance abuse as a